Well, it happened again. Since two of my favorite Olympias from my uncle's collection are these white SM3s, I thought it would be a good idea to have an Olympia SM3 to use for parts when I saw one on Marketplace for $20. It looked pretty far gone both in the photos and in person, but as I've learned with other Olympia models, neither extreme abuse nor neglect is enough to kill one of these. With my meager skills and resources, there's not much I can do for it cosmetically, but I anticipate getting this baby working before Valentine's Day. A fitting deadline for what will be a labor of love. Okay, I can see how that might sound weird, but you know what I mean.